In this video, I am going to show you exactly how you can add a watermark absolutely free by using Lunapic.com, and I will leave a link to this in the description below. Now, there are many ways that you can add a watermark, and I've done videos in the past on how to do that. But there are several other ways that you can do this, and I kind of like this method just because it's quick and easy. So I'm going to show you how to do that. But before I get into the video, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos about how to make money online. Also, if you are interested in learning where I get my backdrops, I do have an Amazon influencer account, and there will also be a link to that in the description below. Okay, so we are in Lunapic.com, and the first thing that we need to do is open up our file. So I'm just going to pick an old mock-up photo that I took. And this can work on your digital designs. This can work on just about anything that you would like, that you have designed. So I am going to choose this mock-up photo that I photographed almost a year ago. And it's just a basic t-shirt mock-up photo right here. Okay, so this one does not have a watermark. Okay, so what we're going to do is if you click right here, if you just hover over where it says draw, and then you go down to where the watermark tool is. By the way, anything that you photograph, it's automatically yours, it's automatically copyrighted. So you actually can use the copyright symbol on a photo. So we can either choose right here, none. You can put trademark, registered trademark, copyright. So I'm just choosing the copyright. Okay, so I want it to say Alicia Khan 2019. Now right here we have the option to either center it, top left, top center. You can put it anywhere you want. The top left, top right, top center. Center it right in the middle, left center, bottom left, bottom center, or bottom right. It really depends on how you kind of want the photo. Okay, so I'm actually just going to center this one for the purposes of this video right in the middle so that you can see it. Also, because the shirt is white, I'm actually going to turn this into black. Right here you can choose your size. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to do about 80. You can also pick your transparency. So if you want it to be really transparent, you can go up to like 70 or even 80 if you want it to be super light. So I guess I'm just going to choose something in the middle, which is just about 50%. And then we're going to click Add Watermark. And right here, it puts it right here in the middle. Now, I'm kind of not liking this because it's not showing the copyright sign or symbol because of the dark short. So I'm going to go ahead and move it up here to the top center. And I also want to change the font. I don't really like that. My favorite font on here that I use is Scriptina, and we're going to choose to update watermark, and here it is right here. So it's that simple. Once you have done that, all you have to do is file. You're going to save the image. Now you want to make sure that you do not, override the one that you just did. So you want to save this as something different. And is what I usually do when I have my original design. I will leave that one named just as it is. But whenever I am naming something that I'm adding a watermark to, that's, for example, going to go on an Etsy listing, or if I'm posting an Instagram post or something like that, Pinterest, whatever, then I always put WM at the end of it for watermark, just so that I don't get it confused with the original. So here is our photo with the watermark on it, and it is kind of covering the shirt. You can make this darker if you want. It's however you want to do that. I'm actually going to close out of this, and I'm going to go back because I do want it a little bit darker. Let me close this image. And I'm going to go ahead and upload my image again. And I want it to be darker. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's all preference. So let me go to the draw. I'm just going to hover over it. I'm going to go to the watermark tool. I am going to use the copyright symbol because I did create this. I'm just putting my name, Alicia Khan 2019. We're going to put top center. We're going to make the size. I'm going to do it just a little bit bigger. I'm going to change my font to Scriptina. I'm going to change the color to black. And then I think I'm going to change my transparency. To 20%. And let's see what that looks like. And that's a little bit darker. So I kind of like this. And you can play around with this if you want. If you want it a little bit bigger. And then there we go. So that's how you do that. And I'm going to go ahead and save this image and save it as a JPEG. And this one I'm actually going to save to my desktop, and I'm going to put that WM behind it for watermark. So here it is right here. I'm going to hit File, Save As. And I'm putting WM behind it just so that I do not get that confused with the original product that would be an instant download. So I hope this video was helpful to you. And once again, if you're interested in learning where I get my backdrops, I will leave a link in the description below to where you can get those. This looks like a wooden, almost like you're on a deck, but it's not. It's actually a background or a backdrop, whatever you would like to call it. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.